Hi, let's see these beautiful gadgets and hacks we've got in this short video. This is a product you can use for cleaning your sneakers. It's really cool, it makes the task easier and fast. We've got these plastic organizers you can use for your fridge. This is a tool you can use for defrosting meat. We've got this brush you can use for taking a shower. You can use it for your body. It's really comfortable and soft. Let's see what's in this beautiful kitchen. This is a soft towel. This is a cooker you can use for making cookies. You can also use it for pizza and chicken. This is a tool you can use for making omelette. This is another tool you can use for cleaning vegetables and fruits. This is a cutter you can use for making chips or cutting vegetables and fruits. We've got this tool you can use for eggs. It's really cool. This is another cooker you can use for fish. And we've got this electric one. It's another cooker you can use for different food. You can use it for cookies or chicken or pizza. We've got this blender, and this is a juicer you can use for making orange juice. We've got this frying pan. This is another cooker. We've got this clipper you can use for hot dishes. We've got this filter you can use for your sink. This is a small brush you can use for cleaning your stove. You can use it for cleaning the corners. We've got this smart washing machine you can use for laundry. This is a folding basket. This is another folding washing machine. You can use it anywhere. It's really convenient. You can also dry your clothes. We've got this hanger. This is a closet where you can organize your clothes. This is another hanger you can use in your bedroom. We've got this folding bucket or tub. This is a folding mop you can use for the corners. We've got this product you can use for cleaning the floor. This is another soft towel you can use for drying your hands. We've got this product you can use for cleaning your toilet. We've got this plastic tool you can use while using a toilet. This is another product you can use for cleaning your furniture, like we've got this organizer you can use for different small items. We've got these plastic organizers you can use for different stuff. car wipes. All these products and gadgets, they're available on Amazon, Alibaba, or Temu. If you need any product, just type the name of these on these websites and you'll find similar products. So see you in the next video. Bye.